This video is brought to you from one agency far north. Located in the historic seaside village of Totara North, this original Kauri pioneer Edwardian villa was built in 1910 and owned by the Campbell family, who built 3 villas in a row for their family. Pohutakawa House is in the centre and is situated on an elevated ridge with 2 levels. A fully functioning 2-storied boatbuilder's workshop on piles is on the spacious lower flat level, with a concrete driveway leading to the charming villa built with Totara weatherboards and solid Totara piles which were repiled in concrete in the 90s. The villa is very private, with verandas front and back and surrounded by gardens and lawn. It has a steep bank at the back with a view of the running stream below. The villa cannot be seen by the road. A separate lounge with one of the 3 Edwardian fireplaces adjoins the dining room, with a cute kitchen alcove and French doors that open onto the back patio. Floors, ceiling and doors are all beautiful Kauri, apart from the 90s edition. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 double and 1 single or study, and the Kauri floors can be sanded to bring them back to their original glory. The walls have been gypboarded, so all they need is a fresh paint. The bathroom, toilet and shower area in the 90s adorn needs an update. Adorable 1950s sleep out could do with an exterior paint, but the interior has been restored. There is a view of the tidal running stream located just over the lower boundary, and you can paddleboard from the back of the house along the creek to the sea. Just 1 kilometer from the Totara North jetty and boat ramp, 12 minutes to Whangaroa's Marina and Sports Fishing Club and to shops and restaurants in Maunganui, and 37 minutes to Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands. To view, contact me, Leonie, one agency, far north.